The Endicott Experiential Edge was really what brought me to Endicott. I feel like I've been able to truly experience every opportunity and every avenue of my major.
The Endicott Experiential Edge is a unique model that bridges theory and practice, that includes the hallmark of a traditional liberal arts degree with 3 required internships that allow students to not only be prepared for today's workplace, but also for the future workplace of tomorrow.
I'm very much hands-on with my learning, so I thought once I graduated with 3 internships, not only will it give me experience in the future, but also let me know what I'm interested in.
I thought it was really unique that the school required 3 internships, and I thought it would kind of push me to where I want to be in a future career. It kind of gave me an edge over other people in the job pool.
We have an amazing team here, and I think they do a great job doing individual career advising for students who may not be certain about what they want to do, or maybe they just want to talk through kind of what their career plans are.
I think until you leave the classroom and you sit down in an office, you don't really know if that's going to be the right career for you. So this opportunity to get out and try something is invaluable.
Something I say all the time when I'm giving campus tours is that the Endicott Experiential Edge is really going to be the thing that all Endicott students, I feel, will look back and be grateful that they had as part of their experience.
I feel very confident that I have a solid resume and solid skill set that I can bring to any company I work for.
Because of the combination of immersive classroom experiences and real-world experiences through the Endicott Experiential Edge, the Endicott interns who come in here have both those soft skills and the curiosity to learn even more, which makes all of us collectively better.
The thing about the Endicott Experiential Edge program is that it's very individualized, and I think at this point I'm definitely more confident than ever in what I'm passionate about.